Hi students, today we are going to see about the introduction of binomial series. Initially we are going to see about the binomial theorem, and this chapter deals with the study of binomial theorem and its expansions. Binomial theorem statement. If n is any rational number, positive or negative, integral or fractional, and mod x is less than 1, that is minus 1 less than x which is less than 1, the sum of the series 1 plus n by 1 factorial into x plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus etc. up to infinity is 1 plus x the whole power n. That is 1 plus x the whole power n is equal to this series. And this is a statement of binomial theorem, and this series is called binomial series. Some standard binomial expansions. We take the expansion from binomial theorem, that is 1 plus x the whole power n expansion, and here we are going to replace n by minus n and x by minus x. Initially we are replacing n by minus n, that is put n is equal to minus n here. So 1 plus x the whole power minus n becomes 1 plus minus n into x, that is minus nx, plus minus n into minus n minus 1. So take the minus outside, so it becomes plus. Similarly here minus n into minus n minus 1 minus n minus 2, that is minus of minus plus, again 1 minus, so it becomes, this term becomes negative, plus etc. Then 1 in the second expansion, put n is equal to, put x is equal to minus x. You see, replace x by minus x. So here in the second expansion, put x is equal to minus x. So we are getting 1 plus 1 minus n into minus x, that is minus of minus becomes plus. So here minus x the whole square, that becomes plus x square only, and here minus x the whole cube, that become minus x the whole cube becomes minus x cube. So already one minus is there, so minus of minus becomes plus. Next, in the fourth expansion, just we are putting n x is equal to minus x in the first one. Okay, here we are replacing x by minus x. So we are getting the fourth expansion, 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus etc. Consider the equations 2 and 3. Now we are going to put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. to these equations. So initially consider n is equal to 1. So 1 plus x the whole power minus 1 is equal to, here 1 minus 1 into x, that is x, plus 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square. So 1 into 2 by 2 2 will get cancelled, so simply x square will come. Here 1 into 2 into 3 by 3 factorial. So 3 and 3 will cancel, simply minus x cube will come. So similarly in the third expansion, 1 minus x the whole power minus n, we are replacing n by 1. So again here we are getting here 1 plus x square plus x cube plus etc. Now put n is equal to 2. So here put n is equal to 2 means here 1 minus 2x plus 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square plus minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube plus etc. So now the terms get cancelled, 2 factorial 2 and 2 get cancelled, so here we are getting 3. So here some terms will get cancelled, we are getting 4. Similarly the next expansion also we get the same, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus etc. Now put n is equal to 3 in this equation. So 1 plus x the whole power minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 3 into x plus 3 into 4. Here you see n into n plus 1. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square minus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 here by 3 factorial into x cube. Just we are putting like this. Then we are rewriting this expansion like 1 by 1 into 2 into 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3x plus 3 into 4 into x square minus 4 into 5 x cube plus etc. Because to remember easily, this expansion, just we are rewriting this term, just we are taken 2 commonly outside from all the denominator terms, then we are rewriting this. Similarly, 1 minus x the whole power minus cube also, just to replace here n is equal to 3, just put the value n is equal to 3 in this expansion, just we are getting this one. Now put n is equal to 4 in these two equations. So we are getting 1 plus x the whole power minus 4 is equal to, here I put n is equal to 4. So that is equal to 1 minus 4x plus 4 into 5 by 2 factorial x square minus 4 into 5 into 6 by 3 factorial x cube plus etc. So here also as same as the previous case, we are rewriting the expansions like 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 into 4x plus etc. Then for the third expansion, we are putting n is equal to 4 again. So we are getting just this one, 1 plus 4x plus etc. Again we are rearranging this expansion like 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4x plus etc. Now put n is equal to p by q in these two equations. So we are getting, instead of n, we are going to put p by q. Okay, so p by q into x, here p by q into p by q plus 1 by 2 into x square plus etc. So again rewriting this equation, we are getting 1 minus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q the whole square minus etc. So just you replace n by p by q and let's try to bring this. Similarly this 1 minus x the whole power minus p by q. So we are getting these expansions. So how to remember these expansions easily? You see, some expansions having the numerator n into n minus 1, n minus 2 etc. Some expansions having n into n plus 1, n plus 2 etc. So how to differentiate both? You see, just if the index is plus n, the numerator is going like n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 etc. If the index is minus n, you see the numerator is going on like n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 etc. Okay, so sometimes some expansions having all terms positive or some expansions having some alternative positive negative, you see. So how to differentiate these two, how to remember these two? According to the sign of x and sign of n. Okay, if these two are in same sign, here you see, here plus x plus n, here you see minus x minus n. If these two are in same sign, all the terms becomes positive. You see 1 plus nx plus etc. Here also you see 1 plus nx plus etc. So how to remember this? If both x and the index n are in the same sign, all the term will become positive. If both are in different sign, for example expansion 2 you see, here plus x minus n, here you see here minus x plus n. In these cases we are getting alternative positive negative, first term positive negative in that way. So we can easily remember by these concepts. So these expansions of p by q form 1 plus x the whole power minus p by q, 1 minus x the whole power minus p by q, 1 plus x the whole power p by q, and 1 minus x the whole power p by q. Thank you.